Omo, my country people na no go believe wetin this man tell Wizkid on his birthday. Oh no, na no be Wizkid FC, but this is too much. Why will you do this kind thing to a whole machala? No, this is too much. Guys, make una hear wetin this guy talk.
Person go dey do birthday. On his birthday, he no go post. He no go post himself say happy birthday to me. Imagine. Last year you did not post. I thought maybe you are busy, maybe something is wrong with your phone that moment. This year again, I've been refreshing your Instagram, you did not post. Imagine, on your own birthday, everybody's outside, all the FC, we are outside celebrating you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy tada, happy kodo. Now you are not posting yourself. Is today not your birthday? Not be your birthday. Post yourself on Instagram, drop new pictures, let's scatter everywhere. Wizkid. Kò lágídí ṣá, kò stubborn. Kò lágídí, a máa ṣe ọmọ líle. Gbogbo nǹkan ẹ ló máa yàtọ̀. Báwo ló ṣe dé post ara ọjọ́ ìbí ẹ? Imagine. If you not post yourself next year, you will see what I will do for you.
Omo, wetin this guy dey talk na fact. I never see person wey dey do birthday and you no go come out dey post yourself. Wizkid, abeg, try dey post yourself on your birthday, make your people dey celebrate you. See as everybody just dey shout happy birthday to Wizkid, happy birthday to Wizkid. Na so Wizkid no even post him own self on his birthday. Chai, low-key wan finish our man. Abi una man.